Hey, what's up, yo? Flea here. Welcome to Kigali. I mean, my guy, Marius.
Yo, what one?
Yeah, he my camera guy. Yeah, today, yeah, welcome to my channel though. Remember to subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Because I got pretty crazy stuffs in Kigali and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So if you look right behind me, you will see a couple of people behind me, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to do a real quick challenge today. You know what I'm saying? I'll be checking people with kicks, like branded kicks like Nikes, No Balances, Adidas. I will ask them if they know, if they already know the brands they're copying right now. Okay? If they told me the right kick, for example, I'm copying the Jordan. I don't know this brand, bro. My Jordan 16 or something. Okay. I don't know yet. I don't know the brand though. But I'll be asking them. For example, if my kick is Jordan 15, Jordan 15 elephant gray, and they write, I'll be giving them 1K. You know what I'm saying? So now we can begin. You ready, bro?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Alright. So I don't know where we begin though. Oh gosh, I see someone falling right there. So now, where we start from? Maybe we should go this way. So let's go. Picking some random dudes. I ask them their cakes. If they know they're copying, no problem. 1K and they hit it already, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Welcome to Kigali though. Fire. See skyscrapers over here. Skyscrapers over here. Kigali well developed, you know what I'm saying? A big logo, Kigali logo. Yeah, welcome to Free Zone, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, many people right now. When I came here earlier, I saw people from the wedding. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I should start from can I start from these guys or something? Maybe I should harder them like real quick, okay? Yeah. So, bro, come with me. So, hey, blood, what's up, bro? I'm shooting a YouTube video. You done? Ni challenge. If you down, na kibazo wambwira. If you down, kuko I'm paying. Ntabyo danje, I will blur you. Ariko niba hari umuntu uri down kuko I'm paying, ndamwishyura 1K in case yayitsinze. Ntabwo bibisaba guhaguruka or do anything, it's just participate gusa. No problem, nta kibazo. So hari uri down se ngo tugire. So jewe ndi kureba umuntu inkweto yambaye, okay? Hanyuma akambwira brand y'inkweto yambaye. Yaba ari right, twacekinga kuri internet tugasanga ari right, nkamukubita 1000 ako kanya. Eh. Oya nta kibazo. Ubwo oya it's niba ubwo tu checking uri down wavuze ko ari team narindi izina Okay, so I'm gonna check here the name of the cakes is telling me right now, and if I find it's the true brand, I'ma give him 1K. Okay, so let's go. Let me check these cakes using Google Lens. Okay, and I will see what one. So now you can see what we are saying like different similar kicks. So let's see the real name. I can see it's Timberland. So I think this guy has won some cash. Timberland, lace up 6 boots. So maybe you should check using Timberland's website. Hey, I'm sure ugiye kuyarya mu mukino. So I think this guy has just won 1K, you know, out of nowhere. I don't know him, he doesn't know me. Anyway, nitwa BenFlee. Izina video mba ndi gukora kuri YouTube, that challenges sometimes. So rero uyu munsi narinje gukora video y'inkweto, twasanga inkweto wambaye uzi izina ryayo rya nyaryo Igihumbi. So igihumbi rero uragitsindiye, ize nikwereze nkoresheje mobile money, right? So I'm give him 1K using mobile money. So right now you can still check, okay? So as you can see, I'm not blogging, I'm not joking, you know what I'm saying? I'ma send him his money right now. Alex Chimiman, right? So Alex Chimimana, 1K, you can see. Ikiguzi cya 20. So I'm good. So Alex, I will send you your money. Ni telefone yawe. Reka nze ducekinge message niba yageze uyerekane kuri camera, okay? So the message yaje, you can check if your message is there. Ubundi Alex so wari waje muri Capri Zone to waje muri shoot y'amafoto bisanzwe. So Alex, ukuri urabona ko nari ndimo kujoking, okay? So Alex received his message. Na abereke message from BenFlee Ineza, okay? So I was not kidding, please. Babwire basubscribing kubera ko nubundi uko basubscribing amafaranga niyo nkoresha maheza. You know, babwire please subscribing kwa Ben, subscribing kwa BenFlee. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Cyangwa mukore Sava.
Mukore subscribe. Kwa BenFlee.
Yeah. Now we will kuyikora, okay? We will kuyikora. My guy is now here. We will come Afro Six. Yo, 6. Yo, brother, man. Yeah. So it's alright, bro. So this is my guy. He's a director. He's a graphic designer. Yeah, he does my stuff, you know. So he's helping me out to do this video. So actually we're gonna be looking for more than 2 people, I guess. Maybe fun, okay? Okay. Yeah, let's go. Man, I don't know how many people are in this place, but bro, it's pretty complicated for me to find someone cooking like a real cool kick, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, what's the way to look for? Maybe we should keep looking, right? Man. So I can't find. Hey, look this guy. So them guys, they
How do you call them?
I don't know, skateboarders or like I guess they do skates. I don't know what they do like for real, but they do skates. Yeah, you see, when you see them, they kick some of the. Why I can't find people with kicks, bro? I imagine we're walking like 1 kilometer without fighting now, but we're like, bro, we'll keep, bro. I don't think he's down for it. He's busy taking some pictures, you know what I'm saying? I don't think he's down for it. I can see over there. We have some people, maybe like a bunch of people.
Man, these things they can't be.
I don't know. Man. Let's figure it out. I don't know. So,
This is the largest building.
so I find these guys like RFP to the owner.
Can you believe that the guy died after his building was just finished? I don't know. I don't think
I've never heard of that story before.
I don't think he ever stepped in it.
You for real, man?
Yeah, for real.
I don't know that. So I think we can find like people with kicks, like real cool kicks, because I really want to be fair. If I could ask someone like whom I think he can't even notice his kicks, so I think I'm not being fair at that time. You know what I'm saying? So
I don't know why everybody's busy, man.
anyway, excuse us. We're in a cafe zone and they told us to stop using our camera, so we are using our phone. So I don't know. Maybe when we get out of here, maybe I don't know.
Next time.
Maybe next time. Here's the thing. Let me tell you something. I'll be approaching people, okay? I asked them. So I think I've seen people here when you approach them and just shoot them without their notice, they feel uncomfortable. So it would be real cool if we first talk to them. I don't know. What do you think? Yeah. Later, I found someone. He's right behind me. I'll first ask for permission to shoot him. If we in, no problem. I'ma call you, okay? I'ma holler at you guys.
Yeah.
So, bro, nitwa BenFlee. Nitwa BenFlee, ngora YouTuber. Ngora udu challenges. Abakozi by'ubukungu no kuba umwanya hari ntawamenya igihe twakongera gukora
namaze kumenya amazina y'ibintu
gusa ntareba imerisi kandi umunsi mwiza. So my guy, so dukomeze. Ayo yaratsinzwe ariko he's a good guy, aranganirije ntareba ntabyatanje. So all right, no problem. Bro, are you down for a video real quick? I'm making a video about kicks, you know. If you shoes. So if I could ask you the names of your kick, if you fail, I go. If you pass it, I give you 1K.
The name of maybe.
You know how I do it? If I ask you the kick and you tell me the name, I will search it on Google. If I find the exact name you told me is right, I give you 1K. So, okay. You can fit. Why can't you try? You can try.
This is the Chinese shoes.
Maybe if you knew its name, I could check it on Google. If I found it there, I give you 1K.
Okay, maybe it's fashion.
No problem. If you're down, I can call my cameraman to come close. No? Okay, no problem. Anyway, I appreciate your time, okay? No problem, bro. See you. So, my guy, I've been asking like around 3 people. They're failing their kids to name their kids. So when are we ending this video?
Man, we're gonna find another Monday down here.
So anyways, I think as you've seen, I've been approaching like 2 people, and they failed to name their kids. So only 1 person passed. So maybe I think this would be the end of the video. And in the comments you can comment whatever you think we can do next time. So I don't know, man.
Call it a day.
Yeah, we can call it a day. So please remember to subscribe, man. Yeah, peace out.
Stay tuned.
Yeah.
We ngageze
ngatingira aho ngaho
iyi muri
bavuze cyotani
muri challenge iyi niyo video ya mbere urumva ubimburiye challenge yose isi ubwo rero umera
kirama comment amarayika ibintu byose
kandi urakoze ku participating. I appreciate. Urakoze cyane urayadukatiye ariko it's okay. So twageze muri free zone rero muri free zone bisa nkaho bigoranye gushutinga video kubera ko twakoresheje camera baratubwira tuyifunge unless you want to pay, okay? Ariko I'm not willing to pay right now, so maybe I should finish from here. See you next time. Please subscribe to BenFlee, like and share. Peace out. Ntabwo turi gufata amafoto. Turi gufata video. Yego nyine.
I'm not like that, but you wanna stop and search for a pack of man. Can't like my darted, karate.